Hello, Ma'am Aini. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, sir. My name is Aini Valdez, 25 years old from Coronadal City, and I am single.
Do you have kids?
No, sir.
How many siblings do you have?
I have two siblings, one sister and one brothers, and I am the youngest.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
I am a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Elementary Education.
Do you have overseas experience?
No, sir, but I work here in the Philippines for our family who have two children, aged 5 years old and 1 years old. Start from 2023 to 2025, and also I do a household chores like cleaning, laundry, and cooking and others.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
How would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking, motivated, and also a flexible where I can able to adapt whatever work is given to me.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Did you undergo any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Why do you want to go abroad?
To earn money for myself and also for my family.
Are you willing to take care a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Could you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Okay. The wheel of the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel of the bus go round and round, go roll the town.
Are you scared of cats or dogs?
No, sir. I am willing to taking care the cats and dogs.
Give me your idea how can you take care a naughty children and children with tantrums.
I'm going to talk to them with my calm voice, and also I'm going to show them that I am one of her or his friend.
Say something to your future employer to hire you.
To my future employer, if I'm going to hire me, I promise to finish my contract and extend if you want. I will treat your family as my own, and also I will learn to speak Cantonese, and also I will cook more Chinese foods.